Hey guys, Leon here. I wanted to do a quick video on my eels feeding. You usually don't see that too often. Usually pretty timid, but so I have these blackworms piled up here. Very unfortunately, my catfish died. I was extremely sad, so I buried him full service. He was probably one of my favorite fish. It's quite unfortunate that he died. So, see the peacock's there, chowing down. The tire track is in there. Can't really see it, but yep. And then the circumcinctus, or the half-banded spiny, way up there. I don't know why he's up there. Probably scared. Yeah, eels are really cool when they just suck it all right up. So this peacock is one of my favorites because he's very outgoing for an eel. Comes out to eat all the time. He's not picky. Does a great job. Looks like the ornate might be coming over too. But I just want to see that tire track eat. There's the ornate venturing. Yeah, so it's just gonna be a short video. Oh, there's the circumcinctus over there. I don't even know what's up with that thing. So timid. Oh, here comes the ornate. That guy's a beauty. The thing about eels is they don't eat very much. So the ornate eats quite a bit. He's like a crazy eater. But yeah, this was a short video. I guess you saw the peacock eel eat. The next time he might eat might be like 10 minutes later. So, hope you guys like the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye.